If you have a large range of products on your WooCommerce store, making changes to them can be a cumbersome process. In this video, we will discuss some of the best WooCommerce bulk edit plugins to help you make changes to multiple products simultaneously. But before we get on with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so that you don't miss out on great content on WordPress and WooCommerce. If you have only a small number of products, you can use the default bulk edit option of WooCommerce. However, to make quick changes for a large number of products, you can use one of the popular free plugins. We will look into the features of each. If you have a large number of products on your WooCommerce store, this plugin is ideal to bulk edit multiple fields. The bulk edit operation with this plugin is quite quick and it boasts a very user-friendly interface. You will be able to bulk edit simple products using this plugin. The extensive filtering options available with it will help you filter out products based on a lot of parameters so that you can effectively make changes to only those products. You can bulk update product title, SKU, visibility, shipping class, price, stock information, weight, dimensions, and global attributes. Check out the premium version if you have variable products and would like to schedule bulk updates. This is a popular option among the free WooCommerce bulk edit plugins available in the WordPress plugin repository. With the help of this plugin, you will be able to bulk edit WooCommerce product fields including attributes, categories, tags, custom taxonomies, meta fields, etc. You can use it to bulk edit product variations as well. This plugin too offers comprehensive filtering options so that you can easily pick out the products you want to update. The editor is quite easy to use and supports rich HTML. As the interface is Ajax-based, the operations will be quite quick with this plugin. Furthermore, it provides you options to edit multiple products at the same time without interference. If you prefer an interface that gives you the feeling that you are working on a spreadsheet, this plugin is for you. It helps you make changes to multiple products really easily. You can make changes to individual products or make bulk updates in batches. The plugin helps you edit simple products as well as variable products. It even uses color coding in its interface to make sure you are not going to make mistakes while editing. In addition, you can make use of the live preview, so you know exactly what changes you are making. Furthermore, you can make use of the undo option to save a bulk edit operation. If you are looking for a tool that will help you with overall store management on your WooCommerce store, check this one out. It offers a spreadsheet-like interface to quickly browse and locate the products you want to edit. The search option is very helpful as it will help you access products, orders, coupons, or posts quite easily on your store. Moreover, you will be able to edit up to 3 items at one time. The plugin also helps you manage product variations effortlessly. This is another simple option that will help you bulk edit a large number of products on your WooCommerce store. If you need to add a new price, or want to make modifications to your existing product prices, you can easily manage that through this plugin. Compared to the default option of WooCommerce, and other free WooCommerce bulk edit plugins, one advantage of this plugin is the filtering option. You will be able to filter your products by category or price using this plugin. This plugin will help you bulk edit your WooCommerce products pretty fast. You will be able to view all your products on your store on a single page and make changes. Moreover, you will be able to copy settings from one product and apply it to multiple other products. You can filter the products you want to modify by various parameters like keyword, author, status, etc. However, with the free version of the plugin, you will be able to edit only simple products. Hopefully, this video has helped you know more about the features of the popular free WooCommerce bulk edit plugins. Please check the article in the description to know more about their premium versions with advanced features. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos, and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on our social media channels. If you have any ideas, suggestions, and topics to cover related to WordPress and WooCommerce, do let us know in the comments section.